Which of these drones have filters that are easier to put on, the Mini 4 Pro or the Mini 5 Pro? In a previous video comparing these two drones, we did mention that it was a little bit trickier getting the filters on the Mini 5 Pro than it was on the Mini 4 Pro. But it's been a few months since I've put a filter on either of these drones, so now would be a good time for a fresh perspective. On the Mini 5 Pro, the filters just snap right on. You do not need to remove anything from the gimbal assembly. But on the Mini 4 Pro, you do have to remove this plastic frame that protects the lens before putting on a filter. This does not have any glass on it, it's just a frame and it just twists right off. To keep things fair, I will not remove this frame from the Mini 4 Pro's gimbal until after I press start on the timer. Mini 4 Pro, here we go, start. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take the frame off here and then get my filter, figure out which way it goes on, and boom, done. Stop. Mini 5 Pro, start. All right, I'm gonna get my ND filter out, orient it correctly, put the gimbal in the correct position. It should just slide on. Which way does it go? Wait, this way. You have to line it up right, like exactly correctly within these like grooves right here. Oh shoot, I thought I got it on. Okay, hold on, let me try again. I got this. Okay, maybe I have to snap the bottom first. Okay, there we go, stop. 40 seconds. So having not done that for a while, I didn't remember which way it goes on in terms of snapping the top or the bottom first. I think I need to snap the bottom first. So knowing that, let me try it one more time. Actually, let's see how long it takes me to take the filter off, which I think will be pretty quick. Starting with the Mini 5 Pro, go. Okay, maybe not. Shoot, how do I do this? I think I go from the, do I go from the top to the bottom? Stop. Okay, 10 seconds. But let me just see one more time if I can do it any faster. Go. All right, ND8, bottom first, and then top. Come on, line it up. Wait, is that in? Yes, it is in. Okay, so I pressed the stop button a little late. Knowing that you have to go from the bottom first, maybe it is a little quicker, but it's just more fiddly. And right now, getting it off, I have to like really manhandle this gimbal, which does not feel like a good thing. Wait, do I get it off from the bottom? I think I do, yeah. And it just kind of flies off like that. But maybe it's just a thing I need to practice and I'll get better at it. Let me try taking off the filter on the Mini 4 Pro. And since I do have to add this little cover back on, that'll be part of the time. Go. Filter off, and frame was upside down, back on. 9 seconds. So I did have to fiddle with it. I had this upside down, but the Mini 4 Pro's system seems a bit more intuitive, at least for the beginner. So you just twist, pull off, and then put the new filter on, twist, and it's on. Also, you're losing a little bit of the weight that is on the gimbal from the Mini 4 Pro. The filter does add more weight, obviously, but on the Mini 5 Pro, you're simply adding onto this gimbal already, so you're just adding more weight rather than kind of replacing some of the weight. All that being said, now that I've reminded myself how the filters go on and off, let's time again and see which one wins. Mini 4 Pro or Mini 5 Pro? Go. This comes off and this goes on, boom, done. 4 seconds or so. Now let's take the filter off and see how long that takes, and go. Filter off and the frame back on, done. 4 seconds. So that's kind of the ideal, around 4 seconds for on and off on the Mini 4 Pro. All right, let's try Mini 5 Pro again now that I know how to do it. Go, grab the filter, lower end in first, boom, done. 4 seconds, nice. All right, now let's remove it. Go. Okay, I still don't know how to do this properly. Okay, there we go, done. 7 seconds. Taking it off is still a little bit scary to me. Let me do that one more time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, start. Come on. Okay, about 4 seconds. So in the end, both of these drones have tied, but I still prefer the design of the Mini 4 Pro. Let me know in the comments which filter system you prefer, the Mini 4 Pro or the Mini 5 Pro.